I think what differentiates this event is the fact it's a little bit of a different forum. What's unique about this event is you get a lot of one-on-one, scheduled one-on-one. I call it a little bit like speed dating. So you're kind of speed dating, you're going around, you're sharing interests, you're sharing capabilities, and looking for opportunities with each other. So it's really neat. The networking is excellent too, because you get the opportunity to network both a little formally when you meet, as well as informally as well. And the venue's fantastic, very comfortable, just makes it for a very nice environment. I think it's just that personal time that you get, and actually having talked with several people that had come to this for the first time, they were kind of amazed. They said, this is much better than just going to some kind of a big event where everybody's all sitting down together, you know, and just it's real loud and everything. They really saw a lot of value in it, just some of the newcomers I talked to. So yeah, I think just the one-on-one, the way it's scheduled, the way it flows, and a lot of the information sharing is instrumental. I think the value of that is it gives different people in the audience have different points of view and experience, the opportunity to speak up as well. It's not isolated to just the panel speakers or just the moderator. I think it gives everybody the opportunity to put a little input in, you know, because you got a lot of neat things. You got a lot of big aerospace companies and a lot of senior people, a lot of people with different perspectives, different experiences. We're all having a lot of the same problems. So having those same problems and being able to share them with each other and get ideas on how others are tackling them is just been very helpful.